Hi, I am Group, and today in this video I'm gonna give you tips to draw face. So let's get started with the points. Step number 1, learn the shapes. Why? Because the shapes are the fundamental of drawings. If you want to draw a complicated things, you can draw that complicated things with the help of shapes. So that's why you should learn the shapes. There will be a 2D shape, 3D shape, or maybe a new kind of shapes that you can generate or you can invent. So there are a lot of things you can do with the shapes. You can draw whatever you want. So step number 1 is to learn the shapes. Now let's dive into the step number 2. Find the shapes and the method which are used to draw face. It can be a Loomis method, or even you can draw with boxes and circles. And after finding the shapes that are used to draw, now pick up some good references from the Pinterest and start tracing them. And you will ask, why tracing? Because right now you don't know anything regarding the heads, where they are located, like the eyes, nose, mouth, ears. So the tracing will help you to understand the structure and the proportion of the face. You can also learn the distance, the distance between eyes to nose and from nose to jaw, that they are equal. You can learn a lot of things by tracing them. Step number 4 is don't trace everything that you see. Just trace the shapes. By using that, you learn on the step 2. And step 5, this is the best advice. Copy your favorite artist. And why copying the favorite artist? Because to know their perspective, how they are drawing, what kind of the method they are using, and what kind of the shapes they are using. And that's all, my buddy. If you follow this step, you will be able to draw face easily within a week or a month. You will be better and you will learn faster. And if you need more help, I have provided all the resources that I have just talked right now, so you can check out the description. Subscribe the channel, follow me on Instagram, and have a great day.